father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I kinda fucked up my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star to show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
And I'm flurrying sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt his son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star to show me where I go,